missed out on a lot of information.
Don't
Yeah, the first one of the first people who came here was a Gumete. While abantwana uGumete lo wafika emkhulu wami uKhukhwana elandelwa ethethe uMahlangu so and their children is the limit descendant here, part of the descendant. Kodwa kwafika amaGumete angu-3.
Siyaqala vele ukufika penyathi la.
Oh, lovely.
Konke sizothaka kule mangcwaba lapho maybe singabula amangcwaba aboMoffat.
Yes. aboMoffat khona phana uzafika kubhalwe engcwabeni lakhe uKhukhwana.